How bonjour, everybody. We are making cedar ties for our doorways and exterior, inside the exterior windows. So we got the cedar. It's called Giza conduct, means a cedar wall. Giza conduct, and we're gonna cut them. We're gonna bring them down smaller, smaller than a hand spread, and somewhere around that size. And just cut off a piece, and then we'll put some yarn around it so we can tape it to the archway. The cedar is a protector against the dark side, and when people walk underneath it, they're also blessed with that. The cedar is like a shining spiritual light, bright light, and negative spirits, they don't like that. So this protects our space. And so we can take some, put some yarn on it so it's easy. We'll grab some tape and we'll go hang it on the archway. I have our door over here in our office.
If I can reach it. I don't know if
We're both height challenged here. There we go. Almost. I should have lifted you up there. There we go. Then so we're
Is that
good.
good?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's good.
Alrighty.
Then it's not like a mistletoe. It's a spiritual blessing when you walk under there. So, anyways, we got a bunch of the cedar. I got some put some over with Nate, and I put some over in ALC. If you want to have kids do that, it'd be good fidget work, and they can go out and hang them on the various doorways throughout the school. All right, talk to you later.